Today we are installing a Liberty Walk wide body kit on the single turbo Nissan 350Z.
I don't know if this is the other BRZ kit or if this is a 350 kit. Well, let's hope it's the 350 kit. That's a dinosaur bone right there. Oh, it kind of looks like that seat.
Yep, that's it. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's the tail.
Alright, now that we got the wheels off, we're going to go ahead and take the front and rear bumper off, along with the front quarter panels, and we're going to start installing the wide body kit. Alright, we got the front and rear bumper off. We got all the parts over there. We're going to start putting it on the car, measuring, and seeing how much adjustment we have to do. Here's the new rear bumper. That fitment is crazy. Plug and play, they said.
Yeah. God, I hate that saying. Freaking, oh my God, that saying irks the crap out of me.
Plug and play.
Let's make a wrong saying. Is it plug and play?
Oh, I guess it does sit that low.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
So how do you...
So that means I gotta make brackets to get this to fit. Because they didn't give me beep, beep, beep.
It's really good. That's good. That was excellent. You know what we think about plug and play? We think it's beep, 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 beep. Beepity, beep, 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 beep. You better not put it.
Alright, so we took the flares back off because now we're going to do some cutting. We got all the measurements done. We'll see what Giuseppe's going to do here in a second. man, man.
I'm getting old.
You're getting old. Alright, so we took the stock spoiler off and we had to debadge the back of the car. So we had to do that so we can put on the Liberty Walk wing. What do you think about this kit, bro?
Not bad.
Plug and play, right?
Oh yeah.
Well, we got the whole kit on, back end, front end, new bumper, new hood, side flares, all that good stuff. We got the 370 front end with the 370 headlights. Now we have to take it to paint. We have to get some different wheels because obviously these won't fit, but it looks good so far. We'll see once we get all 4 wheels on, bring it down and see what the car actually looks like with the 4 wheels on and everything. So. Alright, well that's going to be it on today's video. The 350Z is complete. We're dropping it off to get painted on Friday. So after that, we'll do a part 2, give you guys an update, how the paint came out. We have to install the wing still after paint. It's going to be painted separately. And then we have to find a good fitment for these wheels. I think we're going to go with Rahana wheels. Not too sure yet what Dave's going to do. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you guys in the next one.